Hello friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Guys, for you I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. Here we learn about Microsoft Excel from the very beginner level. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So today in this video we are going to learn a little bit complex formula in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting any time, let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So at first I'm going to run the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is, and I am going to run the OSK software also. That will help you to notice which keys I am pressing in my keyboard. So I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. So today we are going to learn how to cube root of a number. To get the cube root of a number, you can use the caret. We call caret this symbol operator with 1/3 as the exponent in a simple formula. In this example, I am going to find the cube root of this number, that is 27. So we have to simply type the formula like this, equals to, then give the cell number, then we have to use the caret. Look at here friends, in number 6 when you press the shift, here it is caret. Okay, then press the caret, put the caret here, then open the first bracket, then write 1 divided by 3, then put the bracket close and simply hit the enter button. Here it is friends, you simply get the result, that is 3. So that means we have found the cube root of this cell. You can drag and drop the formula from upside down. So these are the cube roots of that number. So let's see how this function works. The cube root of a number can be calculated by raising a number to the 1/3. Be sure to wrap the function in a parenthesis. If this idea is new to you, please subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.